Hey everyone, we got this product here from GekoGear, the AirFlux 300. And you better believe we're going to be opening this up and trying this out right after this. Okay, I'm very certain I reviewed a GekoGear product in the past. It might have been like one of those, what do you say it, dash cams or something like that. That's been a while, I'm pretty sure. I think this company might be related to a company called Adesso, a company that I've actually just reviewed before. So yeah, that'd be an astonishing coincidence if that were true. I don't know if it is though, so we'll have to confirm that in the article, which you should be reading, by the way, because, dude, I mean, if you're gonna watch my videos, I expect you to do the homework. For now, let's open this up. Oh, what do we got here? Well, so far not much here. Just a big square. Woo! Okay, that just went kind of awry. Do we want to do a second take on that? It's just me here. I got no director. Anyway, so, oh, hello. Oh, geez. I'm not sure what I was expecting from this, but it's pretty nice and polished, and felt so satisfying. As you can see, we've got this thing right here. There's got to be more to it, right? There's got to be like a charging cord or something. Oh, there's like a lot of stuff to it. I got all kinds of things like here. Yeah, sorry, I'm just gonna dig stuff out. Got the instructions. Oh, hello. Got a whole thing full of accessories. Before I play with this thing, let's go through all the accessories they got here, just so we can be on the safe side. Yeah. Okay, so I'm seeing like a nice, that is my bag, baby, and I'm doing what I can with it. Yeah, baby, yeah. Okay, that was pretty poor. I'm seeing some jumper cables here, the red and the blue. I'm seeing also some of these things. Now, I'm told this thing can actually do balls. I'm so immature sometimes. Anyway, so basically, yeah, this thing can inflate stuff. Yeah, oh, actually, you know what? I didn't even introduce this thing properly. This is a 2-in-1 portable air pump and jump starter. You know, I'm definitely going to put that on the title card here of this because, whew, you don't even know what this is. So, let's see. So I got this thing here. What else do I got here? I was kind of hoping it would come with something like, aha, a USB-A to USB-C cable. And then what I'm looking at here is, what is this? I'm gonna have to check this out here. What do you call this? This is a Schrader valve air hose. I might have to do a close-up on that thing, but yeah, that's what that is. Okay, let's just experiment, shall we? For those who are not in the know, the Geek Church is all about experimentation, figuring out what does what, and hopefully never using instructions again. That's not true. Instructions are very valuable. There's a lot of products I've reviewed recently that the instructions came in very handy. Okay, so I'm just going to hit this button here and see what happens. Oh, okay. There's some, okay. Oh, okay. So we got some things there. Okay, so I got a definite battery life indicator. I've got some PSI, and I've got this number here. I have no idea what these numbers even mean. Do I care about them? And there's some, okay, I can obviously adjust that number. Okay, well, obviously you can't see that, but hang on a second. That number it's going up, isn't it? Okay. Let's see. I'm seeing okay, there's two buttons up here. Let's try just pushing them. Okay, that just switched. Okay, oh, we have different modes. One looks like it's for like a bicycle mode or something, maybe motorcycle. The other looks like, okay, maybe that's the bicycle. And then we have the balls mode. Yeah, we're going all, you know what? We could make a lot of balls jokes here. We're not going to do that. We'll just got to keep pushing the button here. And yeah, okay. Okay, so you can see there's a little shock or something in the corner. I believe that's probably meant for your wheels. So this is meant to be an inflator. And you know what? I haven't talked about the posts or the ports yet. Okay. All right, so it looks like we've got this thing here. I wonder if I could just, oh, hey, that fits in there pretty well, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh, that just locked right in. Was that supposed to do that? It did. It was handy. Okay. And then we have this button here. Okay, I'm thinking, okay, just for the sake of the audience, it's this button right here. Let's see what it does when I press it. Oh, it's a light. Sweet. Okay, you never know when you might need one of those. Hang on, let me try. Okay, so blink slower. Okay, there's continuous on. Blink that. Blink like that. And off. Okay, great. We've got something here. This is something. You know what? What if I just decided to do this? How do I just get it? Okay, I want this to really blow. When do I do that? Is there a way to do this? Okay, you know what? I pushed every button I can here. Let's just hit start and see what happens. Yeah, it blows! Okay, obviously that did something. Oh god, that scared the living daylights out of me. Alright, okay. Just out of curiosity, I'm going to just attach these on the end of it, see what happens. Let me just break these apart here. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to talk about getting air into something first, so I'm just going to cut to footage where I'm actually using this thing. That sounds smart. Okay, I'm in my car, and I made a discovery the other day. Apparently, I have low tire pressure. I'm glad I have a car that lets me know when I've got low tire pressure, as well as what tire it's in. And I'm also glad I've got this thing. Yeah! Okay, so I think the best thing I'm going to do is see if I can fix the low tire pressure with the AirFlux 300. Okay, time to stick this in here. Yeah, I hope this really works out. I can't really do this one hand, but we'll see how it works. Okay, did that fix it? Let's find out. Okay, from what I can tell, looks like my tire pressure is normalized after I gave it the treatment. Now that's a pretty good thing, but I have to admit I don't know really that much about tires and tire pressure and all that kind of stuff. Now, the whole reason why I might have low tire pressure might be due to the changing climate. It is getting a little bit colder out these days. I'm not really sure, but all I know is the AirFlux really helped me even that out. I'm not getting an alert on that, so I'm considering this a win. Okay, something I want to check out is this thing, is if I can actually use this thing to charge up, say, my phone. That sounds like something that would come in handy. That would be a great power bank, wouldn't it? Works. Okay, we got that. What else is this thing capable of? That is what I'm darn curious about. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of great features here. For example, there's not only do we have the precise digital display, which I've really already demonstrated, but there's actually an auto stop function. So for example, it stops inflation at your preset tire pressure. So you might want to look that up in your owner's manual, and gets you optimal performance on your tires. Not bad. By the way, there's some preset modes here, which include, I think I might have said this, bike, motorbike, car, ball, and manual. So that's pretty good. So we're seeing a lot of great stuff like that. Now, I'm going to talk about one feature that I'm not going to be able to demonstrate, unfortunately. And that is the jump starter. I mean, why can't I demonstrate it? Because I have an electric car. Plus, what am I supposed to do? Take out my drain deliberately? Even if I had a regular motor car or gas-powered vehicle, do you really expect me to be like, I don't know, leave my headlights on and then, I don't know, just let it drain? There are certain things I'm just not going to demonstrate for you, even though it'd probably be the best thing. I can talk about as far as like how this, it does make a good backup for your vehicle. Maybe one of these days my car will just peter out and then I'll have to actually use it. Then I can use it to jumpstart a car, not my car because mine's electric. So yeah, I've heard that you can use this. Honestly, I don't know if you can use a jump starter on an electric car. It's something I haven't really, what's it called, researched. So yeah, so that's great. Okay, I'm also told that this is a 12,000 milliampere hour battery. That's pretty big here. So it's just good for on-the-go use. I mean, if you've got a place to put this, I recommend putting it someplace. Okay, I think I've kind of done this to death, really. I don't really see anything else I can say except, the price. I knew I was forgetting something. We can get it, or you can get it, for a price of about $199.99 on the MyGecko site right now. Oh, what do you know? It is really a Deso, or it actually has the little label on it. Anyway, you can see it there. And yeah, you should get this because you never know when you might need something like this. Hey, and this also makes a good gift for the holidays because they're coming up faster than you might think. Anyway, this has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and I'm signing off.